Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Made another trip to the Restore. And since it is the Restore and it's a used tool situation, sometimes you get good ones and sometimes they're not so good. But I bought a batch of clamps. They weren't marked as a batch. They were each $2, whether they were a big one, like this 4-inch, or the smallest, which is a 1-inch. All same price. But the price is ridiculous. Let's look up adjustable C-clamp. Pittsburgh, 8-inch clamp. This is about compatible with a Pittsburgh. This is a Harbor Freight Chinese C-clamp. I've seen them all over the place. They're not very good. This is a cast iron frame. It may be malleable cast iron, but still it'll snap if you over tighten it. On this it says $8.49. Bought this one for $2. Four pieces of C-clamp set, 2-inch heavy-duty G-clamps, automotive and woodworking. That's this size. 4 of them for $18. So that's about $4.50 each. I got this one for $2. That's about right. Half price for used. That's not bad. As the saying goes, you can never have too many. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.